Welcome to Connect CIC, where we are dedicated to transforming lives through digital empowerment. We offer comprehensive digital skills training, cutting-edge design services, and vital inclusion support. Our mission is to bridge the digital divide by providing free tech classes to all. Empower your digital journey today with us, and step confidently into the future. Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your life with digital skills in 2024. Whether you're looking to advance your career, start a side hustle, or simply stay ahead in this fast-paced digital world, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about coding. Now, I know what you're thinking. Coding? Isn't that just for computer geeks? Well, not anymore. Learning to code is like learning a new language. It opens up a world of opportunities, from developing your own apps to automating tedious tasks. Whether you choose Python, JavaScript, or even a simpler language like Scratch, you'll find that coding can be both fun and incredibly rewarding. Trust me on this one. Next, let's get into digital marketing. If you have a product, a service, or even just a personal brand, digital marketing is your best friend. Understanding SEO, social media algorithms, and online advertising can skyrocket your visibility. Imagine reaching millions of potential customers with just one well-placed ad. It's like having a superpower, and the best part? You can start learning for free with countless online resources. Now let's not forget about data analysis. In 2024, data is more valuable than ever. Companies are constantly looking for people who can interpret data and make informed decisions. Tools like Excel, SQL, and even more sophisticated ones like Tableau can give you a significant edge in the job market. Plus, it's fascinating to see patterns and trends that others might miss. All right, moving on to content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, creating engaging content can be a game changer. With a decent smartphone and a bit of creativity, you can build a following and even monetize your content. The key here is consistency and authenticity. People love to see real, relatable content. Let's talk about cybersecurity next. With everything going digital, keeping your information safe is crucial. Basic cybersecurity skills like understanding how to create strong passwords, recognizing phishing attempts, and using VPNs can protect you from potential threats. And if you dive deeper, cybersecurity can turn into a highly lucrative career. Not to mention, you'll be the hero who keeps everyone's data safe. Lastly, let's touch on remote collaboration tools. With more people working from home, knowing how to effectively use tools like Zoom, Slack, and Trello can make you a valuable team player. Mastering these tools not only boosts your productivity but also enhances your ability to work with anyone, anywhere in the world. So, there you have it. These digital skills can truly transform your life in 2024. Don't feel overwhelmed, start with one skill and gradually build up. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And who knows, you might just discover a new passion along the way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Don't forget to leave a comment below and check our useful links below for support and services. Thank you for being part of our journey and see you next time. Stay tech savvy, my friends.